Hey guys, it's Tash. Welcome to video number 4 of the 12 DIYs of Christmas. Today I'm going to be showing you some DIY ornaments that you can make to hang off your Christmas tree. Hope you guys enjoy. Let's get started. For the first ornament, I'm using these cork coasters and some dimensional white paint. I began by cutting out a heart template and then cutting that out of the cork. The cork is a really good way to get that gingerbread texture. So I'm using the dimensional paint to ice it as though it were royal icing and I was icing a gingerbread cookie. And I love how this turned out. I just attached a ribbon to the back with some hot glue, and I personalised some for some of my relatives. The options for this one are endless. For the second one, I got these crystals that came from a headband that I no longer use. I threaded a piece of wire through the existing hole and then simply attached some ribbon. I made another one without ribbon and I kind of like them both. The best thing about it is on the tree the lights carry through the crystal and it kind of looks like a hanging icicle. I think there's something really beautiful about this. For the next idea, I chose some brown felt and I created a little template of a deer. I traced this onto the felt and cut out 2 versions. Then with a needle and some matching thread, I began to sew the whole way around the outside. Hand stitching just looks very cute in my opinion. And I stuffed it with a tiny little bit of pillow stuffing. You could also use a cotton ball if you don't have pillow stuffing. Then I sewed a little ribbon to it so that it could hang on my tree. And I added some little details with black and white paint. This next project was a happy accident. I found these beautiful brooches in the op shop and I felt like they would look really beautiful on my tree. So it was just as simple as adding some ribbon and thread, and they became repurposed as tree ornaments. For the next project, I found this plastic unicorn in the dollar store. I hot glued a string to the base of the neck and then spray painted the whole thing gold. And it's super simple, but now it matches the colour scheme of my tree and I think it looks a lot nicer. For the next one, I'm sorry that this is out of focus. I didn't realise till I was editing. I basically bent a piece of wire into a loop and put it in the top of the cork of an apothecary bottle that I bought at the dollar store. I then filled the bottle halfway with white glitter. Next, I added a little bit of glue to the cork stopper and then put it inside the bottle. I wiped away the excess and then wrote a little label that says snow. Once it was all dry, I attached the snow label to the bottle and threaded a ribbon through the top. And this is the finished ornament. Let me know in the comments which of these 7 ornaments is your favourite. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to enter the giveaway for this Polaroid camera, the details will be in the description box. And make sure you turn on the notification bell if you want to see every time I upload a new video. I hope you guys have a lovely day and I'll see you tomorrow.